There was a boy in a village. The boy was a dreamer. He loved to dream. One day, the boy was sitting and thinking, how can one become the owner of a lot of money? His mother heard this from behind. Seeing the boy worried, his mother started telling the boy an inspiring story at night. The story was about how people grow from small to large, and today I will share that story with you, which will help you grow a lot. So like the video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Let's start the story. Sitting next to his mother, the boy said, "Mom, don't you tell me? Is it possible for me to become rich? We are poor people." The mother patted the boy's head and said, "Why is it not possible? There is no such thing, Babu. Life will give you only the opportunity that you create with your own strength and work. Come on, today I will tell you a story. That will change your thinking." The boy got excited and said, "Tell me quickly, Mom." Now the mother started saying, "Many years ago there lived a little boy in a village. His name was Arnab. Arnab's family was very poor. His father was a daily wage laborer and his mother was a housewife. But Arnab had one special quality: he loved to dream big. One day he asked a wise old man in the village, "Grandpa, I want to be rich. How is that possible?" The old man smiled and said, "Do you really want to be rich?" Arnab said, "Yes, Grandpa. I want to free our family from this suffering." The old man said, "Then remember 3 things. Start saving from a young age. Give importance to each of your tasks. Overcome fear because fear is the biggest obstacle to success." Arnab started working, remembering the advice given by his grandfather. One day he went to his father and said, "Dad, can I help you with something? I will save the expenses that we will save." His father was a little surprised but said, "You can use our old bicycle to deliver some goods to the market and work." Arnav started working with that bicycle. Every day he would deliver goods from one shop to another in the market. On his father's advice, he started saving a little money from his daily income. Remember, a river is made of many small drops of water. Your small efforts will one day bring a big change. Never neglect your hard work. Then after a few months, Arnav had accumulated so much money that he decided to do something new. One day, he went to the market and bought some chocolates and biscuits. Then he started selling those chocolates to his school friends. Gradually, his small business started growing. Now he started selling not only chocolates, but also pens, pencils, and notebooks. Remember, do what you love, work with patience, and strategy. Proper planning will lead your work to success. When Arnav finished his school, he had accumulated a good amount of money from his small business. Now, he opened his own shop. He started selling all the daily necessities in that shop, but Arnav knew that he could not stop at just running a shop. He decided to learn something new to improve his work. Arnav gradually started selling products online. He saw that more people could buy his products in this way. Never stop in life. Every day is an opportunity to learn something new. Learning and application are the keys to your success. Thus, through years of hard work and perseverance, Arnab went from being just an ordinary boy from the village to a successful entrepreneur in the country. His business is now one of the best companies in the country. Arnab's main lesson in life was, if you work with courage and patience, then life will give you its best reward. Then his mother said, "Look, Babu, what can you learn from Arnab's life? Success never comes suddenly. It is created through small steps, courage, and patience." Then the son got excited and told his mother, "I want to be like Arnab. I will save money from today and start small jobs." Now, his mother said with a smile, "That's it, Dad. Remember, what you want to be depends on your decisions and actions today." From this story, we understand that success is not a distant dream. Rather, it is created by your courage, perseverance, and daily small actions. So don't stop. Start what you want to be today. The work you start today will take a very big shape in the future. Any work starts small, but later it becomes very big. I will give another simple example. A YouTube channel cannot get 1 million subscribers in a day. It takes time for that. And slowly, the YouTube channel grows. So you can subscribe for such a beautiful story, so that my channel grows. You also work. I also work. Best wishes to you. And tell me from which country you are watching in the comments. Thank you.